Hey, this is Homelink 4.6. We'll be looking at multiplication and division fact triangles. Fact triangles build mental math reflexes. They are the everyday mathematics version of the traditional flashcards. Fact triangles are better tools for memorizing, however, because they emphasize the fact family. A fact family is a group of facts made from the same three numbers. For example, 4 and 6 and 24. The multiplication and division fact family is 4 times 6 is 24, 6 times 4 is 24, 24 divided by 6 is 4, and 24 divided by 4 is 6. You can use the fact triangles to practice basic facts with your child. Cut out the triangles from the two attached sheets to practice multiplication. Cover the number under the large dot, which is the product. Your child should be able to name one or two multiplication facts. So an example, this one, they're covering up the product. They should be able to tell you 3 times 5 is 15 or 5 times 3 is 15. To use it to practice division, cover up one of the smaller numbers. So if I covered up the 3 in this one, your child should be able to name the division fact. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Your child should also be able to name the division fact if you cover up the other one. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. If your child misses a fact, flash the other two problems and then return to the fact that was missed. For example, if a student couldn't answer 15 divided by 3, flash 3 times 5 and then 15 divided by 3 and finally 15 divided by 5, and finally 15 divided by 3 a second time. Make this activity brief and fun. Spend about 10 minutes each night for the next few weeks until your child learns them all. The work you do at home will support the work that we are doing in school. I'd also like you to return the second page of this home link to school tomorrow. We'll go over that one. So this, I'd like your student to sit down with you and tell you this homework. So using a fact triangle, it would look like the 2 and the 5 on the bottom and the 10 up top is the product. So your child should be able to fill this out. 2 times 5 is 10. 5 times 2 is 10. Then they should be able to put the 10 in here. 10 divided by 2 is 5, and they should know that 10 divided by 5 is 2. So if your child were to know 6 times 2, which they can skip count, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 12, it would help them know that 12 divided by 2 is 6, and 12 divided by 6 is 2. So now they're going to use the numbers 2, 7, and 14 to form this multiplication division fact family on their own. A lot of times they can start with the multiplication, but they could do the division if they wish. So I'm going to use 2 times 7 equals 14, using all my numbers. 7 times 2 equals 14. Then I'm going to do my division. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. And 14 divided by 7 equals 2. Here's some fact families down below in the triangle form, if that helps them. The product is always underneath the dot in these triangles. So your child should be able to do 2 times 8 equals 16. 8 times 2 equals 16. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. 16 divided by 8 equals 2. And this one starts out 5 times 4 equals 20. They can do it in whatever order they want as long as they get all 4 of them. 4 times 5 equals 20. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. And the last one is 10 times 6 equals 60. 6 times 10 equals 60. 60 divided by 10 equals 6. 60 divided by 6 equals 10. It will be very important for you to help your child with their fact families and the flashcards to help reinforce those and know those fact families a little more automatic as we work into more challenging math. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to email me at school. Thank you very much.